If you want to enable the camera control button on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. In Accessibility, you will find the option of Camera Control. Just tap on it, then enable the toggle for camera control from here. After you do that, under the Light Press Force section, you will be able to customize the press force of the camera control button. As you can see, by default, it is on the default option, but you can select lighter, and if you select lighter, the camera control button will respond by lighter press. And you also have the option of firmer, and if you select firmer, the camera control button will respond to a firmer press. After you customize the press force of the camera control button, then go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on camera. At the top of the screen, just select camera control, then tap on magnifier or any other option under the launch camera section. Now, if it is on magnifier or on any other option, just select camera from here, then go back, and from here you can select to open the camera app by a single click or a double click. I will leave it on a single click. Now, after you do that, you will enable the camera control button on your iPhone, and you will be able to open the camera app by pressing the camera control button over here, and you can switch between the lenses by pressing the camera control button slightly like that. Just like that. And this is how you can enable the camera control button on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.